Okay, as you can see, it's cracked. That's cracked. But this is just the inner shell. But I'm going to go ahead and do both just to make it look nice. Got a few pieces missing. Looks like a square head. Let's go and get that taken off. See, the sides are still nice, but wait a minute. We'll get more. Okay, looking at this, as you can see, it was leaking, or had been leaking at one time. And that's the outer section we got to get off. So we'll go ahead and go up top and get that pulled. Now this is what it looks like from the top down. It looks a bit worn. Let's take a look at what you should be using. This is my favorite tool, is the putty knife with rounded edges against the all-purpose tool. Then you can use a screwdriver, just kind of uncover the screws. And beware of the hand monster. Now using the multi-tool here, it's good on like fiberglass tops, but not the membrane ones as far as I'm concerned. I like to go around and get the outer edge out and away from it, and then just unscrew it and pull it up. Yeah, you just need to kind of keep working it, and it will come up. It will come apart from the membrane or the top of the roof. Now as I kind of work my way around getting the rest of it off, I can see here where it has a crack, or it's an actual rip in the membrane. All they did was put some of this putty on here, and that doesn't work. That's actually a pretty good size rip right there. But I'm going to show you an easy fix using the tape method instead. Now using this tape here, it's kind of the way to make it like a whole new membrane right there that you're going to be putting that on. And like I said, keep watching. I'm going to show you exactly how I do it, and it really works well. Now once you get your length cut, the pieces you're going to need is to just take the back part off that is covering the sticky part. Okay, once you get a piece laid down and it's all set, what you want to do is go ahead and use a roller on it, if possible, if you have one. It just kind of sets it in, and especially if you have a rip, it's going to kind of push that in there. Just remember, when you lay this down, it's going to stay. So be very careful on this part. Let's go and continue on. We'll get the rest done. We got to put the sides on and the bottom side, and then we'll set the dome on it. The dome upside down in the hole there, just so it kind of holds it in place, while I use some lap sealant, just a bead of it around the outside where all the holes are for screwing it down. And in my opinion, you should use lap sealant. You can use Dicor or any of them like that, but just the self-leveling kind if you're going to do this. You just need a thin layer. You don't need like caulking. So my pro tip if you want it. Okay, now that we got the lap sealant around it, let's go ahead and turn it over and set it in place to where you're going to want it. Just even it out around the hole. It's not a big deal up here on this part of it. Time to go ahead and get it screwed in with the provided stainless steel screws that actually have pretty good grip on them. So we'll go ahead and get that taken care of. You can see now that when I do this, I put another layer on top with the tape. just to cover it up. I didn't use the lap sealant on top. I just used the tape to seal this, and it works fantastic. So great way to do this, great way to do a dome like this. And jump off here and we'll go ahead and finish up the inside. Now just remember that it has a film on it before you put this up there, because once it's up you can't get to the film. Oh yeah. All right, let's go ahead and get it put up. Now with this one, they give you stainless steel screws and they're painted tops. So that's kind of to help, you know, restroom, shower area with all the humidity. So, well, it's gonna go like that. I'm gonna hold one side with my head, make sure it's even. So there you go. It looks nice, double layer. Yeah, that works real nice. Well, I hope this showed you anybody can do it, and not just an easy way to do it. So until next time, maybe you can get yours done too. We'll see ya. Remember, subscribe, stuff like that. Yeah. Thank everybody for watching, and if you followed us this far, please hit that subscribe button with the notification bell and hit that like button. It helps put it out to other like-minded folks like yourself. I appreciate the support, and see you on the next one.